So, my name is Geri Brumit. I'm an emergency room nurse. I've been an emergency room nurse for 10 years. Super excited that my team is taking on this project. The meaning behind it is super important to all of us healthcare professionals because it has to do with saving kids' lives. It gets a little nerve wracking for us nurses, doctors, pharmacists, all that stuff when we're working on an emergent baby and need the correct dosing.
Hello, everyone. This is DosePerfect team. My name is Amano Tukala, and you guys.
Hi, I'm Ted.
And I'm Eric.
All right. So our team have been working on a DosePerfect project. It is a simple dosing tool intended to be used only by health professionals. So this will improve safety by reducing errors, typically, in an ER environment. This software will provide correct dosages for commonly used medications when given a pediatric patient's weight and age. And also, it provides size information for commonly used medical equipment. The software should be able to run locally or can be deployed at the website. So next, Eric will talk about the app functionality, and Ted will go through the source code. Thank you.
So as you can see, we're currently looking at the internet-hosted version of this website, but it functions completely identically to a locally hosted version. We are able to enter in the patient's information, text, or say a touchscreen slider, their weight and exact age. And our functions, there isn't a formula to calculate the dosage given in each case, as that isn't how the healthcare world works. Instead, we're using manufacturer-provided dosage information for different weights and ages. You can see as I mess around with the patient's information, it may or may not change depending on, say, we have a very heavy newborn. They may require higher dosages than a relatively underweight 1 or 2 month old. Additional features we do have are pulse check timers, which will notify the nurses every 2 minutes, which is the standard pulse check time for pediatric environments. And you can see some of our different medicines here in the different tabs. Some of them are using prototype data, but we are adding and validating further medicines and equipments as we go along. So as you can see, 2 minutes have passed since the starting time, and when I press OK, so another 2 minutes, the nurse will be notified to check their patients again.
So I will go over 3 important components we focus on. Gonna be first one gonna be liquid dosing.js component, which contain our dose data. So basically, it's right now it's an array of objects in there, but like next semester we can make it to test file for non-programmer, like to update the dose more easily. And second component I want to focus on gonna be input.js component, which it contain the HTML markup for our slider as well as the test input, and include on the function and variable to contain the weight, year, month, and day. And it also contain the inside it contain the display input itself. Third component I want to focus on gonna be display.js component, which it show the output, the dose outputs when the third one I want to focus on gonna be display.js component, with It's contain the display for our dose output, and as well as is contain the logic to, like, when we click in different tab, we're gonna show different medicine. And yeah, that's all. So that's all about our shortcode. It's simple and it's done on React, which is very easy to maintain and easy to read. Yeah, thank you for watching our presentation. We're very excited about our prototype done this semester. We hoping to have better design and better friendly for next semester. So thank you.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.